see that everyone is a servant of God. And this Krishna conscious movement is simply understanding we're all the servants of God. God is known as by different names to different people. So we know him as Krishna, as Govinda, as the Supreme Personality of Godhead. So somebody who's converted, you see, they convert for various reasons. In India, I've seen conversions for economic reasons. I've seen conversions just because people came and due to a basic lack, just like in America, if you take a poll, how many Christians have read the Bible, you may find that very few have actually read it cover to cover. Similarly, in India, if you were to take a poll of the people, they may all be Hindu and worship Krishna, but if you ask how many people have actually read the Bhagavad Gita from cover to cover, which is the main book of the Hindu Dharma or religion, you'll be surprised to find that a small fraction have actually taken the trouble to read their own literature. This basic lack of culture, of religious awakened state all over the world is not isolated to America or to India, but it's everywhere. Basically, everyone is more interested in things other than God consciousness or into self-realization today. That's why we're suffering all the things we are. So if somebody has converted and now he's changed from a Hindu and he's become a Christian, and then he's saying, "Oh yes, Hare Krishnas are bad," that doesn't really bother us so much. Anybody is allowed to have whatever opinion he has. Obviously, that person has not taken that. We don't say Christians are bad. We don't say that anybody's bad that is really sincerely following God. So obviously, he hasn't understood what is the Bhagavad Gita and what is this Krishna conscious movement all about. He's simply taking out what he's heard from some person who has fed him some misinformation. Our doors are open, and if he came in and discussed it, you see, I'm sure that all his questions could be answered. Anybody can say somebody's bad without knowing anything about him. That doesn't mean anything.